there are many, many cool things about the 80s cruise, but people have become like just not acquaintances, but really good friends that stay in contact all year if they live close by. I know a couple of my friends and the cruisers get together every once in a while because they'll send me they'll message me with a photo. We wish you were here. Come on, Nina, and they're hanging out. And myself, I've met really great people on here that, in fact, a couple, Chuck and AM, I mean, they're wonderful, and we've become really close friends. They came up where I live, and I mean, I love them. I mean, they're now part of my life forever. So that's a great thing. I really, really enjoy, the women, their experiences, and we have a good time. It's fun, it's enlightening, and these are really great women, great artists. I was really happy about that. Lita Ford, Katrina and the Waves. Patti Smyth. Now, she's an old friend of mine. I haven't seen her. I've spoken to her, with a phoner, we call it. But I haven't seen her face to face for a long time, and we used to know each other from the New York days. So I'm really, and what a singer. I mean, she's absolutely incredible. So, and Terry, of course, is going to be back. Terry Nunn. So that should be really cool. It should be very cool. I'm looking forward to seeing all you 80s cruisers next year, and I can't believe it's 2020 already. We're going to definitely be having a great time on a new ship, new adventures, great bands. So hope to see you there.